Welcome to all subscribers. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to share my experience. With this lecture we are going to learn Python script that creates a simple calculator using the TKadvanceCalc library for graphical user interface components. Most programming languages have followed example and have presented the obligatory Hello World example to illustrate the ease with which that language may be applied. GUI components seem to continue this tradition and present a Hello GUI world or something similar. Let's go through the code and we'll try to understand its structure and functionality. 1. Importing libraries are the basic functions in all languages. Import TKadvanceCalc is the standard GUI library for Python. Import PMW stand for Python Mega Widget is a set of additional widgets and classes for TKadvanceCalc. Here I am import TK macOS X, which provides me macOS specific enhancements to TKadvanceCalc button widgets. You can use as per your operating system. 2. Creating custom classes for widgets. S-label class represents a two-sided label within a frame for app styling. It consists of two labels, one with blue and the other with white letters, which gives you very nice professional look in your user interface. The idea here is to give you more clear understanding and hands-on experience. To play around, key class represents a customized button widget with specific font, size, color, and other properties. Again, it's for styling your button. 3. Calculator class represents the main calculator application. It inherits from the frame class and contains various methods for handling calculator operations. In simple understanding, its main class to merge all classes and functions together as per app. Functionality in this class is the constructor method. It initializes the calculator to set up the basic properties of the calculator's main frame. The init method initializes the calculator object. It sets up the GUI for the calculator, sets the window title and icon, and creates an instance of the evaluator class. The action dictionary maps different calculator actions to corresponding methods in the calculator class. The current variable holds the current expression entered by the user. 4. This method. This method is a placeholder for unimplemented actions. It prints a message indicating that the action has not been implemented. 5. Turnoff method. This method is invoked when the off button is pressed. It quits the calculator application. 6. Clear all method. This method is invoked when the CLR button is pressed. It clears the current expression and the display. 7. Do enter method. This method is invoked when the enter button is pressed. It evaluates the current expression using the evaluator class and displays the result in the calculator's display. 8. Do key press method. This method is called when a key is pressed while the calculator's display has the focus. It appends the pressed key to the current expression. 9. Key action method. This method is invoked when a key button, non-functional, is pressed. It appends the corresponding character to the current expression and displays it in the calculator's display. 10. Eval action method. This method is called to handle functional key button presses. It maps the action to the corresponding method defined in the action dictionary and invokes it. 11. Build calculator method. This method sets up the calculator's GUI by creating buttons and organizing them in rows and columns. It uses the PMW scrolled text widget as the display for the calculator. 12. Evaluator class. This class provides a simple environment for evaluating mathematical expressions using the built-in eval and exec functions. The runPython method takes a Python code string as input, attempts to evaluate or execute it, and returns the result or an error message. 13. Main section. Finally, an instance of the calculator class is created, and the main loop method is called to start the GUI event loop. Please note that while the code sets up the basic structure of a calculator GUI, the actual evaluation of mathematical expressions and implementation of various calculator operations are not fully implemented and are left as placeholders or stubs in this code. Hope we have basic understanding.